Morse code was sent out in the United States, were the very first words that were sent by Morse in 1844. What hath God wrought?
The day I die.